everyone. So I'm a little bit back because I want to do a full face using Wet n Wild. So I tried this. What I don't like about it was it's very watery, and at the same time I had to squeeze hard, and I have bad hands, so not really crazy about how it came out of the bottle. Then I used the new primer. I'm going to use continue to use this. I'm going to use the pinks. Let me start by using this is, I believe this is Blossom, the pink one. I know that it's pretty cool that all the stores have put their setups for they did their resets, so that's cool. Okay. Well, so the first thing I'm going to do is their eyebrow. One side is the color, the other side is the gel. But I always use ash brown because black is too harsh. Okay. Was I supposed to do this the other way around? Because this isn't coming out right, man. It's like not dark enough. Maybe I was supposed to use the gel first, the brush first. This is supposedly like more shimmery, so I'm going to put that on the lid. Alright. Let's apply. Oh, wow. Look at that glitter. It had like a tiny bit of glitter in it, too. Where'd that come from? That's nice. I'm gonna do this brown color for the crease color right here. Oh, and for the lips, I use the Rose Comfort. It's tinted lip balms, so that's what I use for the lips. Oh, I fell. Oops. I fell. I had to go to the bathroom. I was at the vet. So, I'll hit one on my bottom lid. Let me see if I could just brush that out. So I wanted to walk to the bathroom so my daughter could sit and wait for the med. So I got out of the wheelchair, and I got a really old rinky-dink wheelchair, and I was like, one of these days I'm going to trip over the leg part because they don't go all the way down. So, I always try my best not to, but I lost my balance, and I fell, and I sprained my arm, so my arm is killing me. Like last time, I'm going to mix that and the White Frost. It's a very neutrally pink. I'm going to use one side of this brush for the blush. So this is the Bed of Roses. Oh, oh, that went everywhere. I wonder if it's my brush or just the formula. It just went everywhere. Like as soon as I put it through, just powder went everywhere. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it's very nice. I'm gonna take the pink glitter and put it in the inner corners. Alright, so I'm going to continue to do my makeup and oh, look at that one, even one in my hair. Yeah, I bleached out the color yesterday. I think I'm done with bleaching. Look at that. Look at that. All that hair. I just want my beautiful hair back. Alright, so I'm gonna continue my makeup and then come back to do the contour and the lips. So, let me continue. Okay. I was going to use this little one here that I used to put on my under eye cream and whatnot, but it comes with, let's see how that works. Okay. It comes with its own little sponge. Okay. Kind of weird, but okay. Okay, so it's not smoothing it out how I would like, so it's a little hard. Let's go back to this. That eyebrow sucks. I don't like it. It made my eyebrows look white. Once that gel dries, your eyebrows look white. This is better. The other one was so hard that it like wasn't really smoothing in. I do here since I got the lines here. I mean, the coverage isn't bad, but I just don't, I don't like the other side of that brush. All right, I'm gonna use this now. I'm gonna do that lighter color for my nose. And we start from this bone down. Always goes a little further than I want it to, dang it. You know, for being the lighter color, it's dark. Let's see if I can get rid of some. Ow, 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 my sprained arm. Oh, my arm hurts. Let's do the bottom one. Putting it in the darker color. So this is the new trend now. What I've been doing for years is to go here and then go down and then go here. Which is what I've been doing for years because I have a fat face. So people with a fat face or double chins are doing what I do. You know, I'm not really, like, I don't really do videos on TikTok or Instagram. And that's where the trend started, I think, on TikTok. So, yeah, I'm not a, what's the word? You know, I'm not a big time popular guru, so I want to try and just go into this area right here. Go again here and just try to lighten everything. Go in my wrinkles or circles where the bags are. Doesn't really work for me, but I do it anyway. But I do like it to be lighter, a little bit lighter after I finish my nose contour, because sometimes especially if it's dark like this, sometimes it's hard to, you know, just stay within the line, so to speak, to make a straight line, and so sometimes I gotta go over it. Okay. With the diamond, it's actually really pretty. It's white with pink. Let's go there. Let's go there. I really like how that shimmers. And then without going in again, I'll do this. Just to give me a really like light highlight on my nose. Going back in with the glitter and just put some right here and right here. Okay. Today's Valentine's Day, so figured I'll do the video today. Go out with my hubby. Most likely this right here, I'll probably break it up and put it into my loose powder. I used before the glittering highlighters came out, I would probably have done the lightening with that, but now that the glitter ones come out, I can only use those for like powder or whatever. Alright, let's try this. See how this is gonna work. Because these are shimmery. Not really sure how that's supposed to look, but we'll find out. I always start around the nose because, you know, I want to make sure that I blend out the contour. And I go down here to blend that out so it's not so obvious. And then I do my forehead last. So, okay, it's not bad. I'm gonna assume if you put it on right after you put on lotion, you'll probably get a nice glow. But anyway, that's the translucent. And let's see if this works. Oh, okay, my hand hurts. Alright, just gonna use a random liner. I don't have a lot of pink liners. I think just Milani. I think I got this in a Halloween kit. Since I have a much bigger bottom lip, I try to go right outside the top and go right inside the bottom to try and even that out. My whole face is asymmetrical. Okay. felt like a hair or something there. Okay. So I chose the rose from the Diamond Lasts Rose Quartz. Oh, that went a little lower than I wanted. No, unfortunately, my face is asymmetrical. And I notice when I take pictures of my lips, when I look at my eyes, when I take pictures, I just notice the difference. It's creamy. Let me just fix that. Maybe I should have went with the mauve. Oh well. Now this gloss, I think it's plumping. I don't need plumping, but it's a gloss, so let me put it over this since this is a drying down kind of matte. Oh wow. I had a hard time spreading it. It's really thick. Whoa, do you hear that? So it's a little thick. Okay. And I think that's it. I'm most likely going to dye my hair purple or put in the toner for my hair soon. Because all I have left is purples and I really, really miss my long, thick hair. So my face, I can see, is already being framed with white as opposed to just right here. I'm starting to get a little bit of salt and pepper in the front. The back part still looks dark, but I just didn't like that thingy right there. So anyway, so that's the finished look. So see you next week. I'll probably use more of the Wet n Wild stuff. Like their lip product. We haven't tried their lip. What is it? The Lock and Shine. Yeah, so we'll try some more of that next week. And I'm going to try using this when I take off my makeup today. Hopefully it's as good as their other one. But because the way they designed that other one's awful. I would have to pour it out into something like this to... Believe it or not, the other one looks big like this, but it fits in this. But whatever. Anyway, probably try this afterwards. So yeah, see you guys next week. Mwah.